All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your battery on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. All right, so what you have to do is you're going to come, when the camera's facing you, you're going to come to the left side, and you're going to see there's a little ridge right here. And so what you have to do is you got to kind of push it with your thumbnail down this way, and it pops off right there. You see that? And then you just kind of bring it around here. And then if you look inside, you're going to see there's a USB-C port right there, and that's where you plug it in. And then you have your battery right here, which you can pull out. And you'll notice the battery sits facing with the GoPro logo forward to the front of the camera. See GoPro here, right? GoPro here, GoPro here. This goes back, and then you just slide it in like that. And that's basically it. And then all we have to do is plug a USB-C here to charge it. And when we do, you're going to see a red light on the back. When the red light goes away, that means the thing's charged. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, if you notice over here, I have power sources with a number of different types of cables plugged in here, USBs, USB-Cs, the old ones, the new ones. Here's a USB-C. You can see it's oval. It doesn't matter which way you put it in. You can put it in this way or this way. It doesn't have a specific way to do it. So it doesn't matter how you get in there. You just got to get in there. Once you do, then you're going to see that red light up on the back. Now, when that light goes away, your camera's going to be charged, and we're going to show you that. I'm going to just let it sit here overnight, and bam, we'll come and take a look at it tomorrow. All right, so we've come back, and bam, it's ready to go. Just got to pull the USB-C out, and make sure you got a card in there. I don't have a card, I got to put a card in. But this one is the battery's charged, and if I press here, we can look at it. Give it a second. Yep, 100% charged. We're ready to rock. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the Hero 10 Black.